Hey guys, so this week we have Gus, who's a 16-year-old, 8-kilogram domestic short hair that presents with signs of head trauma. Gus needs a dose of mannitol at 0.5 grams per kilogram intravenously to decrease his intracranial pressure. Mannitol is a 20% solution. The first part of the question is asking how many grams will Gus receive. We're just going to break that down. We know his weight in kilograms, so we're just going to multiply that by the dose, 0.5 grams over 1 kilogram. Make sure they're crossed out kilograms. We want our grams. 8 times 0.5, it's going to be 4 over 1. 4 over 1 is 4 grams. Next part is asking how many milligrams we want. I kind of did it both ways. I did the long way and the short way. First, we know our conversion that 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams. So if we want to do the long way, we're going to start over. So we're going to do the 8 kilograms times 0.5 grams over 1 kilogram. Make sure those cancel out. Come over here and do our conversion. 1,000 milligrams over 1 gram. Make sure those cancel out. We're left with milligrams. That's what we want. So 8 times 0.5 times 1,000 all over 1. It's going to be 4,000 over 1, so it's going to leave us with 4,000 milligrams. Or if we want to do the short way, since we know 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams, if we have 4 grams, just multiply it by 1,000, leave us with 4,000 milligrams. Next, we have how many milliliters. So if we know that the mannitol is a 20% solution, we're going to multiply that by 10, and that's going to give us 200 milligrams per milliliters. So if we want to know how many milliliters is in 4,000 milligrams, we're going to get the 200 milligrams over 1 milliliter. We want to know 4,000 milligrams equals how many milliliters. This time we're going to cross multiply. So it's going to be 200 times x, 4,000 times 1. So bring it over here. So we have our 200x equals 4,000. 4,000 times 1. Then we're going to divide it by 200 because we want the x by itself. The 200s will cancel out. 4,000 divided by 200 leaves us with 20 milliliters. That's our x. Lastly, it says, what will the fluid rate be in milliliters per hour if the entire dose of mannitol is to be given over 20 minutes? So we have 20 milliliters, that's what we got up here, and it's going to be 20 minutes. So we're going to do 20 milliliters in 20 minutes. That gives us 1 milliliter per minute. If we know 60 minutes is in 1 hour, simply just, multiply it, 60 milliliters per hour.